Hello and welcome back to Niharika. If you're a first-time parent, bathing your newborn can feel a little scary, but don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to bathe a newborn baby safely, so you can feel confident and relaxed during bath time. Before you begin, make sure everything you need is within arm's reach. This includes a soft towel, clean clothes, a diaper, mild baby soap, a washcloth, and a small bowl or baby tub with warm water. The room should be warm, and the water temperature should be lukewarm, not hot. Always test the water with your wrist or elbow. For the first few weeks, until the umbilical cord stump falls off, give your baby a sponge bath. Gently lay your baby on a flat, safe surface and keep them wrapped in a towel, exposing only the area you're cleaning. Start with the face using a clean, damp washcloth. Do not use soap on the face. Gently wipe the eyes from the inner corner outward, using a clean part of the cloth for each eye. Next, clean behind the ears, the neck folds, and the hands. Babies often have milk or sweat trapped in skin folds, so be gentle but thorough. Move down to the chest, arms, and legs, and finally clean the diaper area last. Always wipe front to back, especially for baby girls, to prevent infection. Once the umbilical cord has healed, you can move on to tub baths. Support your baby's head and neck at all times. Slowly place them into the tub feet first, keeping one hand on them securely. Use a small amount of mild, fragrance-free baby soap and gently clean the body. There's no need to bathe your baby every day. 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Bath time should be calm and comforting. Talk softly, smile, and maintain eye contact. This helps your baby feel safe and builds a strong emotional bond. When the bath is over, lift your baby out carefully and wrap them immediately in a soft towel. Pat dry, especially between skin folds, and dress your baby in clean clothes. Remember, safety is the most important part of newborn bathing. Never leave your baby unattended, even for a second. With a little practice, bath time will become a special and enjoyable routine for both you and your baby. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Niharika for more newborn baby care tips. Thank you for watching.